been a busy show. It's been so much fun meeting all the people that we met at the big tent or at Gus's event yesterday over at Solar Bill. People came up and were happy to see us again, and meeting new friends and new partners. It's a really fun event. Looking forward to tomorrow. This is just one day, so it's gonna be another.
We got a whole week of it.
A whole another eight days of fun. So the big tent, all the vendors are nice, and they really got cool products. So it's been real fun.